Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SharkPad 7 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll and find the display. So here we need to scroll down again and localize the screen timeout and tap on it. And as you can see here we've got our screen timeout options. At the top, relatively short ones, and at the bottom the longest, which is either 30 minutes, which is the time option, or never, which means that after choosing it your device will never black out automatically. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 10 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back it is also notified right here, and it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.